Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously I just woke up, so excuse me looking so crusty, but today we'll be doing a get ready with me / makeup tutorial for my everyday makeup look. So this is the look that I usually do if I only have like 5 minutes to do my makeup, or you know, I just want to look slightly less crusty but not be extra. You know, I'm not really feeling myself. I just want to have like a nice simple look. This is the look. So, well, not this one, but but yeah, let's get started. I'm back and I'm wearing a different shirt. It's sheer, kind of. Anyways, it's a serum. I'm gonna put this serum on my face, and it's a glycolic acid serum by Province Beauty. But yeah, this is basically like my primer. So I just put that on really quick. I know it was kind of like really sloppy, but I start off by kind of doing my eyebrows. I use this buildable lengthening mascara by Julep, so it looks something like this, and I just kind of put that on my eyebrows. I'll either put this one or the Mega Protein by Wet n Wild mascara. I'll put either one of those, but today I'm going to go with this Julep one, and I just kind of, you know, brush my eyebrows out. Nothing too major. When I do want to be a little more extra, I will do my eyebrows using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Also, I do need to get my eyebrows done. Like, you do not need to let me know that in the comments, because I know I do need to get them done. Yeah. So that's how that looks. I know not much of a difference. Like I said, I just kind of go ahead and brush them. There's not much to it. It's just so they don't look all over the place like little twigs sticking out or something. I take this All May foundation, which has, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it has salicylic acid as an active ingredient. And so I go ahead and I apply this onto like my pimple areas, like where I have like small breakouts. And I go ahead and I apply that before I apply my concealer. So I'm gonna be honest, these videos kind of make me sad because this isn't supposed to be like a really long makeup tutorial, so I can't really listen to music. And usually when I'm getting ready, I listen to music, and obviously you guys are gonna hear music in the video. I'm not. It's just silent. We're gonna go ahead and apply the concealer. I use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Now, I really like e.l.f., I really do, but I don't know how I feel about this concealer. I've had this concealer for like about 3 or 4 months now, and I just don't know how I feel about it. Okay, now that I've gone ahead and done that, I will go in and apply concealer to these beautiful, beautiful smoky purple bags. Just kidding. Okay, now once I've applied my concealer, I use one of my favorite products of all time, the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Now, I've had this for, I think, about a year now, and I love it. I would recommend it to anyone who's looking into buying translucent powders. My biggest issue with this was the price, but honestly, I'd say that it's totally worth it. Best $40 that I've ever spent in my life, because it lasts forever. Literally, I use this every day to set my concealer, and I still have some of it left. I just leave it on there for a little bit while I go in with my bronzer. Now this is kind of sad because I do need a new bronzer, but so I just kind of go in with this. It's disgusting. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have a pimple coming out. Shameful. Now that I've gone in with the bronzer, the translucent powder, and all that good stuff, I will be using this e.l.f. blush palette. It's in the shade Light, I believe. I only have these 2 left. I have some blush on my brush. Dr. Seuss. I'm kidding. So once I've done my concealer, my bronzer, my translucent powder, my blush, and all that good stuff on my face, I go in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. So it's this pink one. And for one of my last steps, which is eyelashes. So I go ahead and I just curl my lashes and then I apply some mascara and I'm done. For my lashes though, I do usually use the Mega Protein Mascara by Wet n Wild. I've been using this for about 3 years now. I feel like it generally helps with your lashes. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other eye. Okay, so right before we finish, I will go in and apply some of this Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm, and it is the original one, which is the peppermint and vitamin E. Yeah, vitamin E and peppermint. Basically, every product I use in this video, I absolutely love because it's my go-to product for my everyday like makeup look. Obviously, if I don't love it, I don't know why I would be using it for my everyday makeup look. It's refreshing. No! Just for a cute little shine. Okay. And this is in the shade I don't know. Bruh. Fenty Glow. It is my finished everyday makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. I know I keep saying a lot. I'm so sorry. I haven't recorded in a video in a while, and the last one that I did record, I did it with some friends, and obviously I feel a little more confident around friends, like a lot of us do. So yeah. But this is the final look for my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a little quick fun video that I wanted to do before I went back to school. I will see you soon, sooner than later. I love you. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to go ahead and see my social medias, they'll be listed down below in the description box. Thank you, I love you, and have an amazing day. Be nice to someone, as my professor says.